ni aria mawakili ndene ya mutindo wa Jwakangangi na Meru bombete kwithirwo bai na muthuro jo munene na bathurite nuntu bwa magistrate umwe uria windene ya koti ya Kilindini kana tigania aria bombete kwithirwo bakiandamana ntuku ya Narua na bambiritie maandamano jao kuma mutindo wa Jwakangangi nera bakomba kwithirwo bakiuga ni kenda kihoto kiumba kwithirwo gikioneka no mwaka magistrate ou ombe kwithirwa ateo tiga tumbe kwithirwa tukigwa nkoroki kuma kibo tumenye ni jari kujaria jongwa jombeta kwithirwa jakibainya.
I am Joel Mutuma. I'm the Secretary General Meru Bar Association. Meru atukuga mawakili na antu batigania bonde area na antu ba Meru bonde ibanogi na batu wetu ya wakili ba Meru Bar Association mbatongeretie ndi Secretary General wao inkuga antuba tigania na antuba Meru itokuga itokwenda guchenjerwa magistrate uwe tigania ugwetwa Sogomo na batu itokuga mantu jawe jachenjwe Narua tokuinyerwa egita mawakili jakaraja kiragwa jaume magambene kenda mantu jabua kiri magamba nandi batu toruga tukauga tukugeria gutethia mantu jachenjwa na jatachenjwa nandi nontu jakurema batu turenda mantu jau jachenjwa na batu atu ina mitigania ku make sure sauti yetu ja mawakili ba Meru ja kuigeka na Narua ko tutecho chikuendelea Meru monka sauti yetu ja mawakili igeke arega kuma kura tukagomera kote wewe monkarira kauma tutekinya kote we tigania monkarira kauma so baraba go tuthikira na bago tuigwe itukuromba bo tuigwe na buigwe sauti ya wanyonge antu baraba tigania ndera na antu baraba bonda bakarita bakinya irwe isogomo itukuromba Narua tuwe otethio antu bo bonde baume petition ira twandikite imalalamishi jetu antu bandikithitie mantu jaraba kuigwe ja kuinyeria mawakili Meru kotini ere tigania mantu jojo jeta petition jo twandika tukandika ke Judicial Service Commission receive baruga ere yetu igaraithiria mantu jara na yo nore gatutethia na batu atukubera no monka batuigwe na batuigwe na bathikire mantu jara tukurukirite Sogomo gukara na aja nkurukia miaka 3 na mtu abatere gukara kotini magistrate tinkurukia miaka 3 atokuelewa na itoeri mbere na engi achokwa kaire kotini batu toruga tukauga itokwenda na ndi mantu jachenjwa na jachenjwa Narua
wakili ila risande batu atuyaja as advocates of the Meru Bar kwandamana onto aratigania kuraere utegamba omba kugeta we wakili onto Sogomo na miradi yawe kana urabanganitie koti Sogomo area wenda judgment we mtu wa kawaida no monka wetu muone chambers kiawe umunekere mbecha akodidire gamba ro kwenda wakiri bagweta kinya kotini bakagamba ende bakagitoro gamba ora kotebatere Sogomo akachokia pile we na akarumu mbecha akadidi ora kwenda atokuga Sogomo ento na connection nyingi ire na chona judiciary akarete ara ankurukia miaka 8 atokuga na andika gita ikarakinyire kawega kwana na Narua turenda kuhakikisha twetete area ku make sure Sogomo akuma area na akwana kabisa ende batu wa Meru turuga tutekwenda mtu wetu Sogomo tukonoka onto area ngogera tigania ira ere ngogetiktika onto no monka unenkanire gantu
okay na aburete gukarawa gitaringana no tukuigwa kigweta
mantu mekana abure gukara station not more than 3 years Sogomo agukara miaka 8 ke chief justice kana weke u agukara u agukurukie gitare yawe ni kumaanisha na antu baba nene na arabo mutetheria na ndio antu ba kurega kumuringa transfer atukwenda gweta kumutetheria aringwe transfer thai Narua
mutegeri mwende tukurikia kwithwa tugikinya ndene ya koti ya tigania na ni naria tukwithira bori ciombete kwithira ingi muno na ndategera inkona jeka antu tutumba kwithwa nya tugitikirwa gutonya kuna gukurikia kwithira gukingwa gukurikia kwithira koti ekingwa nija kuonania na ndarika yonthe gukomba kwithirwa gukigita mantu ja muthemba na ndategere nkuona ona askari
wewe wanafunga hata kola ukitaka mpige tiangas tunakuja peacefully na tena peacefully. You cannot prevent a teacher from entering a school. You cannot prevent an advocate from entering the court.
na ne aria bakumba kwithirwa bakirira nuntu bwa kihoto kiao
why would not be allowed to get in we are officers of the court.
We, wacha mfunge kwanza tuonyeshane hata mmetukataza.
Na jogu kuigwa mawakili ba kwambiria kuina bakiuga ni mapambano aria bombeta kwithirwa bathuri muno na bakiuga Sogomo must go. Rikana bwega Sogomo ni magistrate umwe ndene ya koti eje ya tigania uria uwete ugwati munene muno kiri mawakili no tugwa kwithirwa na kwenda kuria hongo muno na wegita negita arikia igamba ria arikia kuthithwo ni mawakili arichoka we akarithithia bwa nyuma na kia mwicho bagatigera
baraka mbere yenu ni mawakili wa association ya Meru Bar barabara practice Tigania Law Courts na mbere yenu natwa kenda tumba ikonenkanira memorandum mwezi ndanenkerwa ndiri munene wa Law Society of Kenya branch of Kenya branch kuomba iwo menenkanira ke Judicial Service Commission idara niyo yandikite Judicial Officers Bond Kenya ikenda koti yeje ya Tigania yomba ikwethira inenkerwa muntu uria ukombana nayo na tutikwenda matuja corruption na itukuga bati mawakili tukiomba iko practice aja Tigania monka honorable Sogomo aitwe koti yeje na memorandum yeje rokiriro na arua tukorekia kwaria na representative wetu wa mawakili unaorungamirite rutero mawakili ke Judicial Service Commission na aunganane nkere memorandum yeje ikenda omba iko mitira ngugi na batu tukoria Judicial Service Commission nejo ke mantujaja na seriousness yere kumbekana na hizo kwena kwa haraka sana nonto mawakili wa Meru utwe ugakoroka kotini ya Sogomo nkarere agaitwa kinyokethera ni mwaka tugakoroka tukomeria na tugetera na gutingo gigitira koti
mo ikoti ya chai netenja akanywe kiao kia konywe kia wananchi na arwa manto jawe jako dira advocates pia sisi tunasema tumenyanyaswa na kwa Kilatino there's a saying we say mia culpa mia maxima culpa. Imefika wakati pia sisi tumenyanyaswa sana. Hii koti imekuwa koti ya ghadhabu, koti ya madharau, koti ya chai. Na ndio tumekuja hapa ya leo tuseme Sogomo ende nyumbani akunywe chai nyumbani.
Na jau alikia kuthirwo kigo mutegeri mwende wa Baita TV nendene ya koti ya Tigania aria gukulikana ni koti ya chai ni koti ya nkukumo na ne aria kungwa kwandiki gutena nkukumo ende kurerekana koti eu ni nkukumo no kethirwa utegura chai ukethirwa gute chai ukarita uma bwakama ni ate gutiu ukomba kwithirwa ukithithirwa mandiko jara nkona ja manene jari andiki aria gukiragwa gute nkukumo ende ni aria gukwirikana utumba kuthithirwa nto utegurite chai utethithitie mbi na bakigwetaga njanji umwe kana magistrate umwe uria ugwetwa Sogomo.
Hapa ni magumu kama mawakili na leo tumesema imetosha na sisi hatutakubali tena kunyanyaswa na mkuu ama anayesimamia ili court hapa la Tigania. Sisi tumekuja hapa kuweka sauti yetu na isikike na sauti ya wanyonge wale wananchi wa hapa area ya Tigania ambao wamenyanyaswa na huyu mwenye the magistrate ambaye amesimamia hapa anaitwa Sogomo. Ombi letu ni kwamba sisi tutafikisha barua yetu kwa JSC na JSC ihakikishe kwamba maombi yetu yameangaliwa. Sisi tumefinyiliwa vya kutosha na sisi kama mawakili tumesema hatutakubali tena. Wananchi wamekaa wakicomplain hapa maneno ya corruption, wamekaa wakicomplain hapa maneno ya mawakili wenyewe wamekaa wakiteta mambo ya kuishi wametusiwa na huyu magistrate. Kila wakati ukijaribu kumuaddress ama kumuongelesha kotini anasimama na kuacha ukiwa una address kotini. Sisi tumesema hatutaki hiyo maneno. Sisi ni watu kama wengine wetu ni wazazi, kuna mawakili hapa wengine wetu ni wazee kutuliko na ambao kuimagine ule magistrate ni mdogo wao anawaongelesha jinsi alivyokuwa akiongelesha wengine wetu ni hatia hata kwa kimila hiyo ikubaliki. Sisi ombi letu ni kwamba hii maneno iangaliliwe kwa makini, uchunguzi ufanywe na sisi tumesema asipotoka hapa tuta boycott court mpaka ile siku hatutachoka kurudi hapa wakati ya
Yes, members of the press, the people you see here, they are the members of the Meru Bar Association. And with me, I have the petition which we intend to take to the Judicial Service Commission so that the Judicial Service Commission can look at the integrity. They should summon this presiding magistrate here, Ogomo, with the complaints that we have here and find whether this man is fit to preside over any court which serves the general public. You will notice that under Article 73, any public officer should uphold the office which is mandated to hold and bring integrity to that office. When you bring disrespect, you are not a person not holding a public office.
Years, we have got a specific magistrate, not the station. A rogue magistrate by the name Honorable Sodomo. Issues for years. We have tried diplomacy. Advocates have written letters, complaints, but it has proven futile. He is an arrogant person. He's an abrasive person. He's a person who has no respect for anyone, for counsel, for litigants, or anyone. You cannot reason with him. He is a person who has been having issues even in previous stations, and even on this specific, he was in Moyale where he had similar issues. He went through the Sharad Rogo vetting board where he was sacked, but he found his way back. And the issues that Sharad Rao raised about him are the same issues that are replicating here. He is arrogant, he is disrespectful, he is a person that you can hardly work with. And all the minimum that we want as a station or as an area, the whole Meru region, is to get him out of this area.
His time is up.
His time is up. He has had 6 years. You've heard the kind of things that he has an audacity of doing. Getting police officers to prevent advocates from accessing court. I mean, you close the gate from going to court. You cannot prevent teachers from going to school or anyone from going to their place of work. It's like preventing the members of the fourth estate from accessing their places of work. So you've seen yourselves some of the things that we've been talking about, and we will not stand, we will not stand these things anymore. We have had complaints of people being arrested in the surrounding police stations. There have been some cartels whereby a person is brought to court and there is communication between police and court. So by the time you are brought here, your fate is already sealed. You have been, all manner of things are happening here. And the only thing that we have now is to get this head of station out of this area. When a fish starts rotting, it starts from the head. So from him, if we get rid of this guy from here, let him be taken elsewhere. If there are other people who are willing to work with him or other stations in this country, they can take him. But for us, we are not.
Jau nicho ndarikia kwithirwa nkigua na nkiona nekuma bene ya Tigania West koti enene ya Kirindini. Mbeta MC Mwitonga.